Morning, guys. October 10th, 2020, Saturday morning. Got a call from a lady. She got no hot water. Says the pilot's out on the water tank. So hopefully the tank's not leaking. She said the pilot's out, but
turn right on State Road.
I don't really feel like changing the tank out this morning, but might have to. Who knows? But we're going over there and calling. She needs to take a shower and no hot water. She called me last night a bunch of times, leaving messages and stuff, so try to get you some shots if I can.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Guilford Avenue.
Well, it don't seem to be leaking. Maybe we could change the thermocouple on there and it might get lucky. Maybe. Do you feel lucky today?
I never feel lucky.
Were you working at the school or something like that?
Yeah, I still work at the school. Not pleasant.
What's going on there? I mean, they're back?
Well, we have like, as of Tuesday, we'll have half the 7th grade in there and half the 6th grade. And the following Monday, we'll have half and half. They're coming in like every other day.
Now, what happened? I heard that they had to get a flu shot and then they stopped doing that. Or
Wanted everybody to get a flu shot.
and what happened there?
They put an end to that real quick.
They put an end to it.
Yeah.
You couldn't force people to do it?
They can't force people to do it, yeah.
I had mine.
I had a flu shot once and I get the flipping flu. I mean,
There you go.
yeah, crazy. I'll never do that again.
Well, I had mine done already.
The doctor says, oh, get a flu shot. I says, are you sure? He says, oh, yeah. I get the flu shot, then I get the flu. Go figure. Yeah, you can't be without hot water. I know you called a bunch of times last night, but
Oh, she was all.
Yeah.
One time, that's good. Just
yeah, I got your message.
because it won't stay lit.
Well, we changed the thermocouple.
The pilot will light, but it won't stay lit.
It's kind of all crusty. I don't know if you can see it or not.
Oh,
My
I
glasses are all foggy.
Yeah.
See how it gets all
Don't burn it, yeah.
gets all crusty?
Mhm.
Put a new one in there and try it.
I mean, the thing don't leak.
So far,
Yeah. But it is 22 years old, so. How much are they anyway?
replaced? Yeah, and you don't got no money. That makes it even worse.
Well, they got us working.
Well, let's see if we get it working for you, okay? And then when it starts leaking, you have to worry about it then, right?
Yep.
All right, it's in a groove there.
What kind of doggy you got?
My little dog, she's a little long-haired Chihuahua.
Ah,
Yeah, she's small.
a lot of company, huh?
Yeah, I love her. Very attached to the little dog.
Kind of like me with that one. She waits for me at night. She knows when I'm coming home.
Yeah, they're good company.
She knows I think she knows my truck the second it gets at the corner.
I mean, only if people could be as friendly as the dogs.
Yeah.
As loyal
Huh?
too. Nobody. She used to be my sister's dog. My sister shows up here, that dog goes nuts.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
Oh, looks like the relief valve might be leaking a little bit. I mean, we'll get it working for you. And that's about the best I'm gonna do with this old beast. At least you'll have hot water for now, but it is a matter of time until it goes. So start putting your money aside.
I got
You know?
OT coming in. Guess where
You
that's
should probably
going.
put so much away a week or something, so when it goes, because
Yeah, he's working overtime, so.
it's not long for this world. Put it that way.
Does that say the date?
That's the relief valves
Oh,
dripping.
the date on it?
No, this is an old tank. You can tell it's not seal combustion. Definitely an old tank.
They used to do it with the, you know, with the gas and electric. I know my mother, they went through them and they pay so much a month. They don't do that stuff no more.
No, I don't think so.
They don't do any of that anymore.
That costs you more in the long run anyway.
Yeah, the interest, right?
It's gonna cost you more in the long run, but you should be able to get it lit and get it going for you. At least you can take a shower. Huh?
Yeah, I want to take a shower.
Getting a little clammy, are you?
Something wrong with
There it is, lit. See if it stays on. Release it. It's alright, staying on.
Hey.
Okay, so
It was that thermocouple that was bad. That's like a safety device. Yeah.
well, that little plate here was like laying down when I opened it up last night. When I took the
You got issues for sure.
How much are we going to owe you for this trip so I can run down and get it?
Well, it's going to be a thermocouple plus the labor. 125 for today, plus the pot is 15. So 125 and 15,
Okay.
140.
All right, you want the bank right now?
Place thermocouple and relit the pilot. And 15 minutes or so, you should have hot water.
Okay. That couple goes back on.
Well, you don't need to put that back on. I mean, I can if you want. You want it back on? Huh?
I don't have to.
You're back on. You're good to go. Yeah, so the thing's like 20 years old, right? The heater?
98 built the house.
Yeah, so, I mean, 98. So that's 22 years old, that heater, that still ain't leaking? You really got your time out of it. 3/4. Yeah, this looks a little crusty here. It's been leaking for a while, huh? Look at that.
It don't look good, does it?
That's leaking down the pipe. Leaking from the top. Wow, look at that. It's been leaking from the joint up top there. That's really bad. Pull that right out of there. That insulation. Grab that and pull that out of there.
Garbage.
Yeah, look at the pipe's been leaking from that joint this whole time. Wow.
That's a big job, huh?
Well, I'm not going to touch it now because it's, you need a new heater.